So I'm working on wetting the popcorn ceiling so I can scrape them off. So come with me.
I didn't speed up this process because I wanted you to see how long it took me to spray and get the ceiling ready to be scraped in this room, which is about 11 by 11.
You probably should turn off the electricity, but I need this light, so I'm not going to. Definitely get the water all over you, too. And I'm just using a weed sprayer. And this is my third coat of spraying on the ceiling so far. I tested it and it's not scraping good yet, so I'm gonna keep spraying it. I'll probably spray 2 coats and then check it again, and then 2 more coats and check it again until it's ready to be scraped. This kills your arm and your neck, so be prepared. And I'm just using water and the sprayer. I'm going to go the opposite way.
Now I'm going to speed it up for you guys since you know how long it takes to do one coat. It's more water.
imagine what it's gonna be like scraping it. It's gonna be a big neck and arm and upper back workout. See what I think. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That's gonna make a freaking mess. I'm gonna put you down on the ground.
I want to prepare you for the amount of mess that popcorn ceilings make because I was naive and I didn't realize that the popcorn ceiling will get on the walls, on the doors, on the windows, on the baseboards, and on whatever flooring you have. And we ripped up the carpet, so we rolled it up in the carpet, and I still feel like I cleaned the house for months and I was still cleaning the popcorn ceiling off from everything.
I'm not trying to push too hard, but it leaves lines in the ceiling. I'm just trying to very lightly push it off. This is a mess.
Let me speed it up for you again.
Got it in my mouth. How disgustingly messy this is.
As I was scraping, I noticed that there were a couple spots that were still being stubborn and needed another coat of water. As you can see, right there where the wall meets the ceiling, it was trickier. It needed more coats of water and it came off. It was harder there because it had more coats of paint, so the water had a harder time penetrating through the popcorn ceiling. Here I am getting the sprayer to put on another layer.
Look, it looks pretty good. I got a couple little dings in there when I was first starting, but overall, I think it's pretty stinking impressive. This is very doable, guys. Just gotta scrape the walls. Well, not the walls, the ceilings. It's very doable. It's making me so happy. I don't know why I always hold my mouth open. And if I didn't hold my mouth open, I'm gonna get it in my mouth. I did test, for those of you who are worried, I did test for asbestos and it does not have any asbestos in it. I'm sure all the other chemicals are great though for me. Honestly, the happiness I feel scraping this, it's like 10 out of 10. It's like if you all enjoy peeling fingernails off, like fingernail paint or like acrylic nails, you'll love this. Or if you enjoy peeling sunburn skin off, yeah. This is very similar to those things. So you might be missing your calling if you really like that. Go into popcorn ceiling removal. If you want to have a really strong upper body, because it would be jacked very quickly. Onesie is helpful keeping my clothes clean, but I'm really tall, so it like gets stuck. I'm not like really tall. I'm like 5'10", 5'9.5", 5'10". In there, but it really this is fun, man. But when both my arms are up, it's a little snug. Needs more spraying.